اور پاکستان سے بھی کوئی نہیں گیا.
یہ تو آپ کو کل پتہ چل جائے گا پاکستان سے کون گیا ہے کہ کون نہیں.
کل تمہاری گاڑ توڑ دیں گے ہم.
میں تیری پاڑ دوں گا.
چل
دیکھ لیں گے.
Accuracy. This is a very accurate fighter.
Yeah, and Mike touched on it a couple of moments ago. We can speak about it a bit more now.
So you better believe that Shahzeb is very angry.
Right.
Emotion at the end of the fight to give yourself more energy.
Another liver kick. Oh, it's a distraction.
He got stunned now.
Yeah, he's stunned.
Oh,
I think it's
on the floor.
Yes.
Big fight for Rin. And Rin.
Representing the country of Pakistan, Shahzeb.
You're carrying two flags. Can you explain that to me?
This is Pakistan flag and this is India flag. This fight is for peace. We are not enemies. And I want to thank Salman Khan coming here. He's my superstar. I've been watching your movies since childhood, so it's been a pleasure to fight in front of you. Thank you so much for coming.
What are your thoughts on the action here tonight?
Amazing. It's mind-blowing. I love it.
And one more thing, how proud are you, nephew, here for putting this whole thing together?
He's a big boy now.